Thank you for viewing. Thank you for all my subscribers. It's the year of 2018. It's a new year. Yes. Okay. Well, let's put the coffee down for a minute. I love to do my barbecuing. At the same time, I have another burner over here. Okay. Now, I also do flat top cooking. Okay. Along with that, when I don't want to do flat top cooking, I take my grill off. And I can do some stir fry. Oh, there we are. Oh, there it is. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I can do my stir fry cooking, or I can do flat pan, I can do frying, I can do assortment of things. I have my rice cooker here. I have all my spices going. So with that, I'm going to conclude. I just wanted to show you what I have here. It's a 2-burner stove. It's old, but it's okay. It works. Okay, it's so versatile versus a grilling type stove for a flat top. So with that, we're going to conclude to our shows. Thank you again for watching.